In the previous video, we discussed about the animate method. Now we are going for the clearQueue method. The clearQueue method removes all items from the queue that have not yet been run. Note that when a function has started to run, it runs until it is completed. So, related method for the clearQueue method is queue, dequeue. This queue method shows the queued function. Dequeue method removes the next function from the queue and then execute the function. Okay, syntax for the clearQueue method is $of selector clearQueue. If here queue is the capital one, in the basis we are writing our queue name. First of all, observe for that purpose we have the two buttons, start and stop buttons, and one div has the style red, height, width, background color. So first of all, go for our code. So $document.ready function, whenever we are clicking on the start button, at that time these things are executed. $div.animate, height is 300, speed is 3000. Okay, $div animate, width is 300 and speed is 3000. Here div animate, height is 100 and speed is 4000. So here also we are putting the 4000. Now observe the output for this program. Okay, save the document, run the once. Initially our div element has the 100 pixel height and 100 pixel width. Now start animation. So animation is starting. Okay, after the increasing the height, width also increased and decreasing the height and decreasing the width. Okay, so I think you understand this one. Now we are going for the stop button. So $stop, click function. Here $div clearQueue. Okay, what is the use of clearQueue? clearQueue method removes all items from the queue that have not yet been run. So for example, here this is my code. Here this is the first queue. Okay, this is the second queue, and third one is decreasing the height. This is the third one, and this is the fourth one. Here we have the four queues are there. Okay, now if this one is running time, I am stopping the animation. Okay, what is it means that it is executes only first queue and forget about the second, third and fourth queues. So now again I am clicking on the start animation, refresh the page first of all, and clicking on the start animation, and now I am going to stop animation. Okay, so three queues are executed, but fourth queue is not executed. Okay, now we have the one more example is there, using the queue related methods together. How to use the queue, dequeue and clearQueue together. Okay, so for that purpose we have in our document one button is there. So now observe the output. Now P, three paragraphs are there and two buttons are there, one div element is there. Okay, now observe the output for this document. So here the queue method shows the queue of the function to be executed on the selected element. The dequeue method removes the next function for the queue and execute the function, and the clearQueue removes all items from the queue that have not yet been run. Okay, now Now go for your program. Now our code is this one. Now I am pasting this code in our JQuery file and $document.ready function where div equals to $div. You know this one. After that, if you are clicking on that start, that time div animate height equals to 300, width equals to 300. In the div.queue, in the queue method, we are calling the function div as background color is red and div.dequeue. After that, div.animate height 100 pixel, animate width 100 pixel. $of stop click function div.clearQueue. So now observe the output of this document. Actually, this one is not working properly. Okay, start animation. Now start animation. Stop animation. Refresh the page. Okay, start animation. After the third clue, background color is changed. Okay, start animation. Now F5, start animation. After that, stop the animation. Animation is cleared. Now start the animation. It is not run. Okay. Sorry. So stop the animation. So what is the meaning of this one? First observe the code. Here div.animate height is slow. Div.animate width is slow. Here we are using the queue method. Okay, div.queue function. What is the use of queue here? Queue method shows the queue of function to be executed on the selected elements. And the dequeue method removes the next function from the queue and then execute the function. ClearQueue removes the items from the. So here we are using the queue method. Here function div.css is color is red and div dequeue. It clears the function. Okay, and after that again animate 100, animate 100. So start the animation and stop the animation. Start the animation and stop now and start the animation. Okay, thanks for listening.